How to fix the missing thumbnail URL error. If you publish content with videos on your website, you want to make sure those videos show up correctly in Google search results, including with a thumbnail image. Sometimes Google might generate a thumbnail for you, or if it's linked to YouTube, it will already have one. However, this may not be the case if the video is embedded or hosted on your website. I have this tutorial on my website, and when I checked in Google Search Console to see if it's being indexed, I was getting an invalid item detected error for the video. Looking into the details, I see that the problem is a missing thumbnail because the thumbnail URL field is missing. How do you fix it? Here are a few things you can try with or without the RankMath plugin or another comparable plugin. First, if you have RankMath installed, go to the dashboard, make sure the Schema structured data module is enabled, and then go to Settings. Make sure that the Autodetect video option is enabled and that the Auto-generate image option is also turned on to generate thumbnails for the detected videos. This lets RankMath fetch thumbnails for videos hosted on supported platforms like YouTube. On the other hand, if your video is hosted directly on WordPress, you will need to manually set a featured image to act as the thumbnail. You don't need RankMath to do that. Open the page or post, and in the Featured Image section, select Set Featured Image. Once you add a featured image, the thumbnail URL property should automatically be added to your video schema, which should resolve the error. Now, if you don't want to use the featured image as your thumbnail, you can set a custom thumbnail using the RankMath's video schema. Go to your post or page and open RankMath SEO. Click on the Schema tab and then select the Schema Builder icon. Scroll down to the video thumbnails section. If it's empty, this means you need to add a thumbnail URL. If you haven't done it yet, upload an image to the media library. Then copy the image's URL. Go back to the schema and paste the URL there. After saving, this should fix the missing thumbnail URL error. To ensure everything is set up correctly, you should validate it. Return to the video schema section, click the eye icon, and then click Test with Google. This will open the Google Rich Result Test page. You can validate your code on a mobile or a desktop. Things look good here, but I want to check Google Search Console again by testing my URL there. Like in my case, sometimes the missing thumbnail URL field still shows up because the indexed page is a few days old. To check if the updated code is valid right now, select Test Live URL in the Search Console. Now I can see that the error has been fixed. But before wrapping up, I will request a fresh indexing of the page so that the updated results appear in Google, ensuring the video shows up in search results. Thanks so much for watching.